I'm going to encourage you to think about this one in terms of some transformations. Um, this might make sense if I just talk a little bit as we go. Let's start with this notion that t is bigger than w. So someplace on this number line, I've got t, which is bigger than, of course, w, right? So how far apart are these 2 points? How long is this shaded line right here? Well, t's bigger, and so if I start at w and I walk over to t, I have what I had at w, and I had to add more until I get to t, so t minus w is going to give me that number. This wouldn't bother you at all if I had something like w was 3 and t was 7. You would say immediately, oh, the difference is 4, right? Well, what did you do? You just subtracted 3 from 7, right? Now, if you took these two things and you shifted them over both by plus s, don't know what s is, but let's move it over. So w gets shifted over by s, so does t. But notice there's still this exact same difference apart, and so this distance is still going to be t minus w. Well, is that any big surprise? Because the same difference is if you had t plus s and you subtracted w plus s, guess what? You're going to have t minus w, right? Now again, let's suppose we shifted everybody over by plus 8, all right? Well then, this 3 would have become 11, this 7 would have become 15, and the difference between here is still 4, right? It doesn't matter how much you shift over.